What's up guys, it's Haniff here and welcome to yet another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to color grade a video in Lightroom. So let's get started with the video. What's up guys, it's Haniff here. Before I continue with this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And also remember to turn on my notifications to be notified whenever I drop a new video. Please note the preset pack is coming at 500 subscribers, so watch out for my preset pack. So right now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to color grade a video in Lightroom. This is not something you see often since and this is also a life-changing thing since color grading video is a bit complicated, especially when doing it in other apps like Premiere Pro that some people are not familiar with. So using Lightroom is a way to make the process easier, and since most people are familiar with Lightroom, it will be like a better thing to do in Lightroom. So let me just go ahead and tell you guys and show you guys. Let me just show you guys a preview of the video before color grading and a preview of the video after color grading. So as you can see, that's what we're going to be doing in this video here. We're going to be color grading the video on your screen with Lightroom. So now I've imported the video to Lightroom. Imported the video to Lightroom. So let me just play the video a bit again. So it's quite a shaky video, but you guys get the whole point of the video. So what you are doing here is color grading this little clip here. Now to be able to do this, since we can't make adjustments on develop, since the said video is not supported on develop, what you should do is, what I did was I screenshotted part of the video, then moved it to develop. You can screenshot a video with your snipping tool or any other screenshot app you have. But yeah, I've screenshot the video from my snipping tool and imported the screenshots to Lightroom as well. Also, note when making adjustments in video, or when you're making adjustment in video, you're limited to certain adjustments. Like these are the only adjustments that you can make here. So these are the if you try to apply a preset where other adjustments are made, though, this is where you're going to pause. So I just screenshotted this to show you guys what the adjustments are limited to. So as I say, some developed settings are not supported for video files. Only the following settings in the selected preset can be applied to video. So you can only use the auto settings, your white balance, your basic exposure, contrast, blacks, white, saturation, and vibrance. Now I'm not going to be using exposure. So exposure, most of the time you should already get it right in camera. So right now I'm just going to be doing the basic adjustments here. I'm not going to do anything on white balance. I like it as it is. I might just increase it a bit. Yeah, it's looking a bit too cool, so I'll increase it a bit, and then add a little bit of contrast there. Maybe my shadows, lift it up a bit. Since it's video, you don't need to go all the way with the adjustment. You just need to do very minimal adjustments since this video we are working with here. Now we shouldn't use clarity. Maybe we could do a little bit of saturation, and then yeah, we can also use our tone curve here in video, which is really powerful. So I'm just going to add a little bit of fade here, and then a bit of contrast, bring the mid-tones up a bit, bring the highlights down, I guess. Then moving it over to red channel here. I don't need to adjust this, so I might just bring this down a bit. Alright, so moving over to my blue channel. bring the shadows down a bit. I think we can add a little bit of blue to the highlights here. Also on the a bit of blue again. So this is before and after tone curve. So this is where most of the color grading is done. I'm not going to do much here. Maybe just bring the yellows down a bit and the blue as well. Then also change the hue of the blue. A split toning. I'm going to keep my split toning. Let's see around here. Like, the point of this is just show you guys, like, make the difference clear, and I'm just rushing this up a bit for the purpose of the video. It's just to make the difference clear right here, so you can follow along if you want. You're not going to be sharpening this since you can't really, like, since it's going to be motion. And then camera calibration, you see, do some adjustments here. So this is before and after color grading. Now I'm going to render this as a preset and then apply it on the video and show you guys what this does. So I'm going to be saving this preset as 0000 video. Yeah. So I think let's leave it as it is right now. Let's just leave it as it is here. So I've created a preset. Now what you want to do after creating a preset is you go back to your library, move to your presets, and then move over to save presets, over to video presets, user presets, and then it'll show you this, but just click OK. Then now you can play your video. As you can see, all the adjustments that we made earlier has been applied to this video. So this is a very useful technique to use to color grade your videos quick and easy. Let's just play that again. It's a very useful technique to make your video color grading quick and easy. So you can go ahead and export this with your usual export settings. I think that should work well with your usual export settings. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.